All right, everyone, I am standing here in the Cougar 364 BHL. This is a pretty popular floor plan, and I'll show you why here in a second. I wanted to start on the inside because it's a little bit chilly and it's a little less cold in here, so I wanted to stay as warm as possible. It comes out weighing 11,246 pounds with a overall length of 39 feet 2 inches. So let's kind of go up the steps and start from there. So as you can see, this is our master bedroom. You have your queen size mattress here in the middle, lots of walking space in the front and on either side. And you are able to lift up this mattress for some additional storage. This is a 2022 model, and you can tell because there is no carpet here in the master bedroom. It kind of lines up along this trim right here just to make it look nice and neat. But other than that, there's no carpet in here, which is definitely a plus if you have kids or pets running around, or you happen to make a lot of messes. It's just really easy for cleanup. And then on either side is a nightstand with some additional hidden storage underneath and kind of like corner raised up shelves too. Both sides have power outlets and USB ports for a sleep app machine or even just charging your electronics. And then under each closet locker is also a light. So you can use that if you're wanting to read while the other person is wanting to sleep. And then speaking of, you have a lot of room in there for folded up clothes, shoes, a great big tinted window. It's not completely blacked out, but it's a tinted window. And it also has a blackout shade, so you can sleep in if you want. And then here is an emergency exit window. It's a rather large window too for some natural light. AC. And then one of your slide outs on your non-camping side is for your wardrobe. So you have your clothes rack that extends all the way across with the 3 entrances into there. They have mirror panels on them, so you can use that to get ready. And then also a couple jumbo-sized drawers down below. Your own private entrance into the bathroom. There is the main entrance right there. But if you need to use the restroom in the middle of the night, you can just quickly come in here. And before I forget, you also have a spot for a TV here. Behind the bedroom bathroom entrance is another closet space. It looks like the one out there, but this one can be used for just maybe some towels and washcloths. It also has the clothes rack that is a part of it, but you can use it for whatever you want. A couple drawers down below. Nice rounded out shower with the clear glass door. I really like the fact that they're clear. It makes it feel a lot more open. Skylight and a vent fan. Towel rack. Porcelain foot flush toilet. And then we have our sink, storage below, kind of angled faucet too, power, medicine cabinet, barn style sliding door into the main entrance so it's not swinging out into the hallway and creating less walking space. And then above our steps is the in-command system. So through this touch screen, you can access your slide outs, turn on your lights, turn on your heat, your AC, everything. And you also can download an app for free on your phone and be able to do it from there without even having to get up. So it's pretty cool. Coming into the main kind of hosting living quarters, you have your living room / kitchen dinette space. Huge, and I mean huge, pantry next to your staircase. Like the glass on the door, I think it looks really pretty. Booth dinette. The legs of the table are mounted against the wall, so they're not completely in the middle of it and your knees aren't having to knock into them. This will convert into a sleeping space for your kids or guests. This whole slide out is also covered with windows, and I love that you have the pull downs for it, so you don't have to reach up there if it gets caught behind the little rolly thing. You can just use the string to pull down the curtains. And then just next to that is your theater reclining seats. Very comfortable. Cup holders, remote control storage, USB, heating, and massage. It has all of the works. And then also in this slide out is not carpet. Again, this is like an outdoor rug material. So again, no carpet. And then coming into our gorgeous kitchen, stainless steel residential size refrigerator. Huge. And then you have a residential size microwave. Couple cabinets up above. Random open storage. And then you have some power back there for anything that you want to plug in. Countertop space, a 3-burner stove top with a glass cover. More storage down below, and then of course your oven. Across from there, you also have an island for even more countertop space, stainless steel 50/50 split sink with a spray faucet, more storage down below. And then our sale price comes out to be $63,985. And then talking about our entertainment center, you have a jumbo electric fireplace down below, and it is all electric. So this can be really nice for taking the chill out of the air, really taking advantage of fall season camping. And you can really just have those lights going on during the summer too, so you don't have to have the heat going. Your Bluetooth speaker system is just above there. So you can put your Blu-rays in there, connect your phone for the speakers on the outside, a couple drawers, 4K Ultra HD swivel TV, more storage. And then just behind this door is the reason why this is one of the most popular Cougar floor plans. You have a complete second bedroom. So this camper is really designed for if you have older kids, if you have your in-laws wanting to come stay with you, if you have maybe your parents wanting to come stay with you. There's no steps and they have their own space to get away from. It's just a really awesome addition that they have. It makes this whole floor plan completely unique. So here we have our mattress with an end table here on the left, USB and power, so whoever sleeps here can charge electronics. Lots of windows, and I mean lots of windows. There's just natural light coming in everywhere. Kind of in this wooden base, you have a closet locker, again, built-in clothes rack with drawers on each door, mirror panels too. And then in addition to that, coming up these ladders, hopefully I don't fall, there is a load capacity of 800 pounds. But you also have kind of like a loft area for your kids too. I'm not quite sure the height, but I'm sure I would be able to sit up, or a smaller kid would definitely be able to sit up in here. Very comfortable teddy bear fluffy mattress material. You probably could have 2 kids sleeping up here. Another window, kind of like a storage space. Spot for a TV, so whoever is on the bottom bed or the loft can see the TV. And this also has a safety rail too, so no one is falling off. And then just behind me, they have their own half bath too, which I thought was pretty cool. So to the left, porcelain foot flush toilet, barn style sliding door, towel rack, sink with kind of like an extended lip amount of countertop space, storage below it, and you also have your medicine cabinet. They also have a second entrance here into the bathroom, so your guests and kids can quickly access the bathroom without having to go through your entire camper. You don't have to clean things up when your guests are over. They can just come in here. And if your kids are getting all grimy and dirty, they can just come in here without having to track that. So now let's take a look at the outside. All right, so here on the outside, you have your pen box, patented hitch vision, so you can line up your tow vehicle through your rear view mirror with your pen box. Some accent lights on the front cap. Of course, some extra storage and a spot for your battery in there. 2 propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. And you are prepped for those Furrion side marker cameras. And then also some pass-through storage, so you can just have some additional camping gear in here. This also is a slam latch door with also magnetic latches. Pretty cool. You can do that with one hand. 2 powered awnings. They're both on either side of this middle campsite slide out. Bluetooth capable outside speakers. Solid steps at your main entrance with the oversized grab handle. And since this is a 2022 model, you do have the solar panels on it with Keystone. Outside kitchen, open cubby storage, Capital stainless steel grill, and a mini fridge. Pretty cool. Ladders so you can climb up there and just check up on your roof and slide out maintenance. You are also pre-wired for a backup camera if you want one. And then this is the storage that leads to underneath your second bedroom. You also can access it from lifting up the mattress too. Again, magnetic latch, and it also is a slam latch door. 2 more slide outs on your non-camping side. And then here is your access to your water heater. But that covers that. If you have any questions, let us know.